Well, good afternoon. We continue to get areas of rain in the valley. Last night we had some heavy rain in some spots, and that continued on into the overnight hours. And we got a photo this morning from the Devil's Lake area. Sherry sent this photo of about 1.5 inches of rain in her rain gauge in Devil's Lake. And that was a good amount. A lot of places in the Northern Valley saw some decent rain. And then there were places that got even more than that. And in fact, our bullseye for rain was in the Michigan area, northeastern North Dakota. Over 4.5 inches of rain fell there. And then in Devil's Lake, of course, at the airport, we saw a similar number at 1.92. And Grand Forks, we needed more rain there. We've been running a deficit for June, and now we're catching up to it with getting another 1.25 inches of rainfall there. And then other places in northwest Minnesota, too. Not quite 1 inch, but seeing some substantial rainfall in places like Baudette. Still getting some rain in that area right now. Some showers going on in Lake of the Woods County. Still waiting on some of this rain to depart, but it's been moving eastward. A lot of clouds, of course, associated with that, keeping our temperatures down in the east. And you see we've had some clearing out to the west. So Devil's Lake, Jamestown, even Grand Forks enjoying some sunshine through the clouds there. Looking northward, now this will depart, and then we've got a cold front that's going to start moving in from the northwest, and that will be the kind of forcing mechanism for the chance for more thunderstorms this afternoon and evening as that continues to push in. So that's what we'll be watching next for our rain. Here's a look at our visibility. Some of us still kind of low for visibility. We've had some mist in Fargo, a little low cloud cover going on, 4 miles visibility there. Also in other parts of Minnesota, especially in the southeast, we just talked about the potential for wildfire smoke to reduce our visibility as well. Here's a look at our temperatures. Again, under the clouds and some rain showers in the east. We're only in the low to mid 60s there. We haven't warmed up at all this morning and now into this afternoon. It's 69 in Fargo, 75 in the Sunshine and Grand Forks, and more 70s into eastern North Dakota with wind that is 10 miles per hour or less. So light wind out there yet again today. Of course, if you've got a thunderstorm passing by, that wind's going to pick up as it moves through. So let's show you that where we're going to see and when we're going to see those next rounds of thunderstorms here in our forecast in our hour-by-hour planner. So we're watching the rain move to the east. Temperatures will recover a little more this afternoon. We'll get to around 70 in the east to some low 80s in the west. And even by 4 o'clock, you can see we've got storms popping up ahead of that cold front, and that continues to roll through the valley as we work our way through the evening hours. So by 7 o'clock tonight, you can see a well-defined line of thunderstorms moving through. And this is when I expect to potentially see some strong to even a severe storm or two moving through the valley afternoon and into those evening hours. Once we get into the late night hours tonight, the rain and thunder is moving into our eastern counties in Minnesota. And this is 10 p.m. At this point, the sun is down. We're losing that energy and the storms start to fizzle out, and we should be quieting down into overnight hours just as we're trying to get to sleep here tonight. So here's a look at our severe weather risk. Again, a marginal risk here in green for most areas. We'll see that potential for hail up to 1 inch in diameter and high winds that could get up to about 60 miles per hour. So here's your 7-day planner. More chances of rain and thunder pretty much each day here in the forecast. Saturday and Sunday will be the days that we are least likely to see rain, which is good. We'll get more sunshine on those days. And look at the heat building back in just in time for the 4th. We're going to see some upper 80s to low 90s for the holiday.
Well, people will definitely have a good weekend to start the 4th of July festivities. You know, since it's on Tuesday, people like to celebrate on the weekend.
Yeah, you stretch it out maybe. Hopefully you got some days off. You know, you can enjoy that. And, you know, the heat's going to be perfect for getting in the lake. Just keep an eye on the radar, though, on the Valley News Live weather app. There is that chance for rain.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much.